Hi, I'm Adrian Nixon from Worsley Plant. We're here today to talk about the Lehnhoff quick coupler. This is a -2 model, and we've created a flow testing device along with a Webtech flow meter, which is a HPM 6000, to test the flow efficiency of the Lehnhoff quick coupler. This is our test bench, and this is our quick hitch. So Rob is going to connect it up for us. The hitch makes a connection of all the hoses without getting out the cab.
That's fine from up there.
Now Rob, he's working the shear circuit. We're pumping out 316 litres a minute, free flow through our hitch. With this we have a 24 bar back pressure. Now in the system already we have a back pressure of probably 20 bar without the coupler. So the machine produces a 20 bar back pressure anyway. We're testing it with this oil flow now at 48 degrees, and we have a back pressure of around 23-24 bar. What we're testing that through is literally just our Lehnhoff coupler. So this is just going through the S block itself, through the attachment and back out again. So we're not doing any work with the oil at this point. On the front we've adapted a 1-inch quick release setup. We have a tap as you would on a normal excavator. We then have a range of attachments that would all use this connection type as a standard. So what we're going to do is transfer the oil now from our Lehnhoff system through what we would call a standard setup, which is a 1-inch quick release probe, male and female, with a tap. And we are going to test the pressure now by changing the flow from the Lehnhoff through this and through the Lehnhoff again and back to the machine. So we have 24 bar at the moment. Okay, so now I've turned one tap, I turn the second tap to let the oil flow through our loop. Now our loop is a standard loop, 1-inch 4-wire Gates hose. We have now gone from our 24 bar, and as you can see on the display now, we have 42 bar with the same amount of oil flow. So this shows an additional 16 to 18 bar back pressure, and this is created through our free flowing loop, which has only got the introduction of 2 quick release couplings. So what it does show is that the Lehnhoff system in its own loop creates no back pressure, or very little back pressure. The effect of this back pressure with this loop here is that the oil temperature will increase through time. It takes a lot more energy to produce the oil to go through this loop, which then creates a lot more oil temperature. With the oil temperature increased, the machine has to work a lot harder to get the oil to come through because it's hotter, and also the fuel taken to drive this oil through means you've got a greater fuel usage. So with the Lehnhoff system we do see a fuel benefit, or a fuel saving, of around £8 a day in some cases working high performance attachments.